Good evening, YouTube family. Good morning, I should say. It's after 2:30 in the morning here in Jacksonville, Florida. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Friday, thank God, because I am having a time getting this cake all together. But thank the Lord, I have washed everything up. I have cleaned her. She was easy to clean. This is the bottom bowl. As you can see, there is no mess anywhere inside of her. I have my oven. This is the Emerald Lagasse oven, preheating. Well, yeah. Is the time is for the temperature is 325, but the way this oven cooks, my perfect release PM. I done said this like 4 times. My phone is just giving me so much trouble. The devil. I am not gonna let you ride, because if I let you ride, you're gonna drive, and you are not driving me crazy this morning. Okay, so she is in the pan. This is the Wilton's 10 cup bundt pan. Now, I think the last time I cut it in half. I'm praying that she doesn't overflow. I did overspray her a little bit too much, but I'd rather over than under. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in. It says 119. I just want to make sure that she cooks slowly and evenly. So that's it for this video. And also here's my cream cheese frosting. I'll probably just do like a little itty bitty short for that and post it. And then once everything is over and done with, and I'll probably do that by hand. It's too late to turn this mixer back on. I've already disturbed my neighbor enough. The mixing bowl is right here. Just your average cleanup. As you can see, yeah, it's got a little residue on the side, but any bowl with this type of decorations or made like that, that's it. You just have to do a hard rinse before you I have to read the manual. I'm not sure if you can put it in the dishwasher. Or at least I can't remember. But I don't have a dishwasher where I have these. These are my dishwashers. This is my dishwasher. Hard rinse it to get all that residue off. If not, that's how bacteria and that them little icky minions. Excuse my eyeglass case. But she is ready to be put in the oven. So she's supposed to be in the oven 325 for an hour and 15 minutes. So it's an hour and 17 minutes. This is the Emerald Lagasse. I'm using the bake setting for cakes mostly. That's what that setting is for, but I do chicken and all type of stuff. So give me a second. Let me put her in, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Mama is in the oven. Oof. And Mama has gave me a run for my money, I tell you. But I am happy that I did. I really, really am. It's nothing like trying something new, helping people out. So I'm gonna stop it right here, and then when we come back, well, actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and do give me a few minutes because I need to rest. I have my scoliosis and the lower part of my back is hurting. But she is in the oven, and I don't want to overdo it. I know I'll probably be sleeping most of the day tomorrow. Well, the rest of the day, because it looks like I'll be on the prayer line. My alarm is probably going to go off in the next few minutes, and I got to take my baby out to go to the bathroom. And she's wondering, Mama, when you going to get in the bed? When I say my baby, that's my blue staffy. Well, 5.5-year-old blue staffy. Dogs, when you get a dog, if you've ever had a dog, you'll know what I mean, or if you've had one. Okay, excuse the look everything. I just turn the light on. We have a light feature right here. So, and never ever open the oven when you're cooking anything, especially cakes or bread, because it will, that cake or bread will fall, and that is the end of it. So I'm gonna get up out of here because cakes need their own personal space. At least that's how I was raised, old school. I be running in the house because you're gonna make my cake fall. Don't talk too loud, you're gonna make my cake fall. You know, stuff they just didn't want you to ruin their work. So I will see y'all in a little bit. And until then, I will talk to you later. This is your girl, Kino, and I'm a stay-at-home cutie, just early in the morning. All right, have a blessed day. I'll see you in a few minutes, or in a little while. Bye-bye.